really out here off-roading.
Dude, I'm out here all the time.
Let's go. And we got a DRZ out here?
Dude, I'm learning my
Let's go.
I'd be watching you.
Thank you, bro. Looking good. How's this bike treating you?
I love it. It's a lot. I mean,
It's a lot of power, but
I've never owned a dirt bike.
yeah.
450. It's like,
bro, we got another Supermoto in the trails. What's good, bro?
What's up, man?
Chilling. Bro, I almost did a front flip. Bro, I just tried to jump in, my front went, dude.
I literally sold the whole like prime up and everything, and I was like, let's see how this goes. Bro, you gotta put that in your video.
Oh, of course. Oh, that's the money part. It's H, bro. Pick that down.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it. Woo. Oh.
Alright. Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Smaller down. Hey. Don't take your helmet off.
Yeah, just
No. Just unstrap it. Just unstrap it.
one strap. Yeah.
Can you breathe? Put your hand in the air if you can breathe. We can't breathe. Zeus, you got a knife? No, I don't got a knife, bro. Here.
I got
your gloves off. Take your gloves off.
He got out.
Okay.
I think.
It's okay.
Hold on. Yeah, be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
Yeah. These scratches on them, good? Can you see me? Look at me in my eyes. Look at my eyes. No, just relax. You need to know if you can look at my eyes. Just relax. Let her come back.
No. Hey, it's good. Just stay calm.
You'll get up in a few.
Yeah.
Arms down. Two.
Just get him on his butt.
Lean up.
Yeah, right here.
He's alright. Want some water? What the f happened?
You slid.
What did I do?
I think you
going in a straight line. Dude, there's a ditch right here. You saw me stop because there's a ditch. You were going fast. You locked up your brake and your tire slid out. You were coming, and then all of a sudden your front tire just went to the left. You hit the ground, and then you just stopped moving. And I was like, oh shit. Dude, I don't remember anything.
If I was you though, we should head back to the car and just dip, because it's not good to ride on a.
That shit was crazy.
Felt a little dirty, but.
I don't care about that. I just don't want to have to pay her.
Right.
Dude, I looked at Lars, I was like, he's asleep! He's asleep!
I just seen him laying on the ground like this, like, holy shit.
Who was I behind? You?
No, I was in the front,
I was
him.
in front of you, Lars was in front of me.
And then you were behind him, right?
I was behind
You were.
Michael was behind you. Literally, you were just going, and then your front tire just dipped out, and you just laid on the ground. Oh, yeah. That's how I broke my foot.
That was gnarly, bro.
Dude, he was laid out.
Bro, I look back and I see you flipping out like, bro, he's out. And I'm like,
If it was just like flat, his neck was.
no, I know. He was just.
Dude, I was worried like.
Yes, sir. Boy out here on that fresh Monster 2021 450. Yee! Boy, shredded. Bro, this thing is crazy. Yes, sir. It's fun, right? Yes, sir. It's smooth as hell, right?
What is it?
It's a 150, bro.
That's a 150?
But bro, they have like you can rev it up to like 8-9K, so
Carbureted.
yeah, bro.
Dude, that thing is like,
It's smooth.
if I spent a day on that, dude, I could be taking turns and
Bro, literally. You can try mine out too if you want.
Alright.
Be careful with it.
Of course. I wheelie an 85. It's gotta be similar.
Oh, it's easier, bro. Way easier, yeah. This thing feels smooth. Bro, all these bikes feel so good. Like, and dialed and complete, and the suit be looking. Let's go. Bro, that two-stroke came out of nowhere, bro. Yes, sir. We got the boys out here. Yes, sir. Don't be shredded, boy. Hand drag. Get that hand drag, bro. Holy sh. You good?
My brake locked up.
Damn. Yeah. You want to say something? I say you want to say something?
Yeah, hell yeah, what's up? I don't got much to say, but there's that man right here.
The DRZ is retired.
Retired?
Yeah.
What happened?
For now. Just don't like riding it, really. I'd rather just be on dirt bike. So. Oh. Bro, there's so many. Oh! Yo, these roots are crazy. If you hit them fast, it's like, doom.
Oh, I know, dude. It's deadly.
I love how you just like tilt the bike over wherever.
Bro, that bike is so fun.
No, yeah.
Dead ass needs to get a whole motor rebuild, so I'm like,
But yeah, just let it. I did the same shit with my two-stroke because I don't have a kickstand, so I'm like. Bro, just send it, right?
look out, Zeus.
That's hilarious.
Did he do a stompy again?
Almost.